Tinder is one of the most famous dating apps available in the market in today's world. It helps people find their life partners through its features like left swipe to dislike and right swipe to like someone. But if you try to do wrong or illegal things on Tinder, your account can get banned permanently. Are you wondering how to get unbanned from Tinder? So, in this video, we will look at how to make a new Tinder account when banned or make a new Tinder account after being banned. Does Tinder ban your device? Yes, Tinder does ban your device. As whenever you create an account on Tinder, it gets access to your device ID, phone number, email address, and all the other information you have shared. So, your account will be banned even if you get a new phone number but are using the same old device. You will need a new device ID or an entirely new device and a new phone number to create a new account on Tinder. But instead of doing all this, you can politely appeal and unban for your account to the Tinder team, and once the appeal is accepted, you will get your account unbanned. How many reports does it take to get banned on Tinder? It doesn't depend on the number of reports. If one user reports your account, it will be reviewed by the Tinder team. Mostly, it won't get you banned. But if more users ban you on Tinder, your account can get banned. Remember that Tinder doesn't have a temporary ban, as most of the time, 99% of it will be a permanent ban. So, make sure you don't violate any terms and conditions of Tinder. What happens if I get banned from Tinder? If you get banned on Tinder, you probably won't get your account back in any case. You won't be able to create a new account with the same device, same phone number, and all the details you have given in your banned account. You cannot use any of them for new account creation. And if you do so, your account will be banned again. You can visit the Tinder help page to learn more about the banning process. How to get unbanned from Tinder? The only step you can take to get your account back is sending a polite appeal of unbanning as a request on the Tinder help page. If you have not made any severe mistake, your account may get unbanned. You can fill in the details on the request form as shown below in the image. How long does it take to get unbanned from Tinder? If you have appealed for account unban, you have to wait around 2-4 days for their reply. This doesn't mean your account will get unbanned in 2-4 days. Once you get their reply, they will let you know whether your account will get unbanned or stay banned forever. Can you make a new account if you get banned on Tinder? Yes, you can make a new Tinder account when banned, but with lots of conditions such as, you cannot use the same device for new account creation. You cannot use the same phone number for new account creation. In fact, you cannot use any information you used in your previous account, which is banned for new account creation. How do you make a new Tinder account when banned? How to make a new Tinder account after being banned? You can create a new Tinder account even after being banned the same way you created your first account, but with the condition that you cannot use the same device, phone number, or email address. This is because Tinder has the complete details of the accounts that are banned on it. If you create a new account with the same information, your new account will also be banned on Tinder.